This video is production of Visible Assets for the Air Force Launch Kit demo. Inside the kit are items that would generally be used on an airfield for the signaling of aircraft on the ground. Each of the items in the case can be automatically inventoried by the use of asset tags embedded in the items. The items included in this kit are 3 reflector vests, 6 marshalling wands, 3 sets of safety goggles, and a Leatherman. Each of these items is embedded with Ruby tags, except for the Leatherman, who has a tag in the case with a presence detector that will tell you when the Leatherman has left the case. The application we see here first is a diagnostic application called Finder. This is something we use internally at Visible Assets as an engineering and test tool for new development. Each space with the number of the ID is a tagged item. When we start the application, you'll see the tags found show up in green, and missing tags will be shown in red. The rectangular antenna on the right is what we refer to as a Ranger antenna. As each tag in the case comes into the field of this antenna, the Finder application will show that tag's number in green, as you'll see when the launch kit passes into the field of the antenna. You'll notice here that each number lights up in green as it reads every tag in the case. And as we move it away, you'll notice that as it passes out of the field, it'll go back to red, which signifies that the tags are no longer in the field of the antenna. What we will do now is remove an item from the kit and show what a missing item would look like in our application. We'll start with our reflective vest. You'll notice that that vest's number is lit up in green on our application. And then as we take it away, it will go back to red. Now we'll bring the kit in and show, as the vest is still removed from the kit, what our application will look like. This allows us to see, without opening the box, what is missing from the kit. It should be noted here that this kit can be on a shelf to allow automated check-in and check-out of items. We are just holding it here for demonstration purposes. Now we'll put the vest back in the box and bring the kit to the antenna's field once more. And now no items are shown missing. Now we'll repeat this process. This time we'll take out a marshalling wand. As I bring the marshalling wand into the field, you'll notice that its number is listed in green on our Finder application. Now we'll bring the kit back in, minus the marshalling wand that was just removed. And you'll notice in the same spot that appeared green when we brought the wand in is now red because it is not in the kit. Now we'll take the kit away again and we'll put the marshalling wand back into the kit. And we'll bring our kit back to our Ranger antenna's field. Now you'll notice all items are accounted for. Now we'll take out a pair of safety goggles from the kit and bring those into the field of the antenna. You'll notice again is lit up in green on the right side of our list. Now we'll bring the kit back in, minus the goggles. Now we'll put the goggles back in the kit and bring it back to the antenna field. With the quick inventory done by this kit, you'll be able to find that no items would be left on the airfield. Now we'll take out the Leatherman from the kit. And as we take it out, we should note that with the Leatherman multi-tool, when you take it out of the kit, a tag underneath it in the case will report to the antenna that the Leatherman is missing. Without the Leatherman, and you'll notice that it shows up in red because the presence detector in the tag is not sending the signal that the Leatherman is in its proper place, so it will not be read in the kit. Now we'll put the Leatherman back in the kit in its proper place, and as we bring it back to the antenna's field, you will see that the presence detector will find the Leatherman, and that it will appear as found again in our Air Force launch kit. Another attribute of the launch kit is the go, no-go feature. As we see here, all of our items are in our kit, and this is important on an airfield because any debris left on the field can get sucked into an engine and is a big loss of time and money. When we leave the field, we need to be certain that everything is accounted for. When we close the box and are ready to leave, at the push of a button, we can have a complete accountability of all items. You notice here we'll push a button, and since everything is in the box, the light will flash green. This means we have everything in the box that we started with, a go. Now we open the box back up and remove a marshalling light, and remove it from the area of the box. Now we close the box again, and at the push of a button, the box will be automatically inventoried, and we will see a red flashing light indicating that something is missing and the area is not safe, a no-go. Go, no-go happens on the site. If red, then the tech knows not to leave the site. If something is lost, we'll be able to find it faster because it's Ruby enabled and can be picked up with a Ruby enabled locator. This has been a video of the Air Force Launch Kit demo, and this video has been a production of Visible Assets.